Hi, in front of me is LG Wing, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view on this device. Firstly, open any apps like Gallery and YouTube. Then click at the square button to open background apps. After that, click on the icon of an app and select multi-window. After that, click the other app. As you can see, now I can use both of them at the same time. If you want to go back from this mode, drag the first app upwards and click Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!